There is a major breaking news coming from the United States, and it says that an F-35 military fighter jet crashes. An F-35 military jet is the most powerful military jet ever produced by the United States or possibly by the world. So the whole report on this is an F-35 fighter jet crashed at Ellison Air Force Base near the Fairbanks, Alaska around 1 p.m. Tuesday, and the military officials have already confirmed this. So this is 100% confirmed news. The pilot was uninjured and transported to the army hospital for evacuations. The cause of this remains under investigation as the Air Force aims to prevent the future incident. Now, this one jet cost around $81 million. Now, $81 million itself is not a big loss for the United States, but the loss is that the other countries were trying to buying this, and most of the countries were trying to buying it. United States was not ready to sell off it to the many countries, but many countries are trying to buy F-35 fighter jet. Now those countries will show a little less interest in this F-35 fighter jet because of the crash, as the cause of the crash is under investigation. So, and that $81 is not a significant loss when you compare it to the loss that many countries may show a little interest in this, or many country will still be ready to buy it, but there could be one or two countries who skip this deal just because of this incident, and but most of the country will still be ready to buy it because it is the most advanced military jet produced till now. So I think that this is not a big loss for the United States because the pilot is safe. So $81 million for United States is nothing because they are giving 250 billion, 70 billion on others war, and if 70 if $81 million is nothing for them.